Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the innovative Genie ALKT1R Smart Garage Door Opener Controller, the Aladdin Connect kit that seamlessly integrates with Alexa, Google Assistant, and SmartThings for a truly smart home experience. This Wi-Fi-enabled device allows you to monitor, open, and close your garage door from anywhere using your smartphone or smart device, offering you unparalleled convenience and peace of mind. With the added advantage of smart security, the Aladdin Connect uses a sensor attached to your garage door to alert you whenever the door opens or closes, whether electronically or manually. Not only can you control up to 3 garage doors with additional sensors, but you can also automate door closing times and create virtual keys for friends, neighbors, and relatives, making access both secure and flexible. Imagine the ease of scheduling your garage door to close at specific times or after a set duration, ensuring your home remains secure even if you forget. This smart controller is perfect for those who want to enhance their home's security and convenience without the hassle of assembly. So, if you're looking to upgrade your garage door system, the Genie ALKT1R with Aladdin Connect is your go-to solution for a smarter, safer home.